Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion for normal to dry skin with SPF 30. You guys know I love my CeraVe products, and I was looking for a affordable sunscreen that doesn't leave a white cast on my face and it's not greasy. So I saw this on Amazon and I ordered it, and I'm going to try it out and I'm going to review it with you guys, and we're going to see if it's non-greasy and non-white cast situation. So yeah, it comes in a little box like this, and oh, it's cute. So yeah, it has SPF 30. The bottle is very sleek. It's also great for traveling because it's only 52 milliliters, so you can take this on your travels. So I only have mascara on right now. I have nothing on my face, so I'm gonna try this out. So I'm gonna do 2 pumps. That's like the texture. I love the normal CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion, so I'm gonna see if this lives up to its standards. I did 2 pumps, but you can do 3 or 1 depending on what you need. Ooh, I really like how it's not, it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. So yeah, it doesn't have a white cast, which we love, and it's not greasy. It's super moisturizing as the normal version of this. So overall, a 10 out of 10. If you're looking for a affordable sunscreen that's not gonna break the bank, I would definitely recommend this because it's not greasy and it doesn't leave a white cast, and it's also fast absorbing, so this would do great underneath makeup. So overall, I really like this product. I was not expecting to really like it this way, so yeah, definitely check it out if you're looking for an affordable but great everyday sunscreen.